Today I'm gonna show you how to schedule a meeting in Google Meet. So before we go further, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel for getting more videos related to e-content. Now you have to logged in into your Gmail account. So this is my Gmail account. Now here you can see that G Suite is there, means I am using the institutional Gmail ID. If you don't have the institutional Gmail ID, then you can log in into your personal Gmail. But there is a limitation in the personal Gmail is you cannot record the Google Meet meeting for the same. So if you want to record your meeting through the Google Meet, you must require G Suite account. Okay. Now what you have to do is you just click on 3 by 3 grid here. Go to the calendar. It's opening. So this is the Google Calendar. Here you can see that the date is there, and the month is there, the meeting which I have been scheduled, which is shown here. Now if I want to create a new meeting, then I go to the create button. I'll give you the title of the meeting. Say for example, Google meeting for demo purpose. Okay. Then after, here you can see that when you have to schedule the meeting, I have to schedule the meeting by today at 3:15 to 4:15, 1 hour. You can set your meeting as per your lecture or as per your timings of the meeting. There is no limitation in the Google meeting for the timing. There is no restriction at all. So I have set my meeting from 3:15 to 4:15 on Monday, August 17. Now here there is option all day. All day means from Monday, August 17 to all the days meeting would be there. Here you can see that do not repeat. Daily you can schedule the same meeting at same time, weekly on Monday, monthly on third Monday, and newly on August 17 every weekday, Monday to Friday, and you can customize the meeting. Repeat every week. Here you can repeat from Monday to Saturday. You just set the meeting, ends never, so it would be long lasting meeting. You have to just click on the Google Meet link for every day. There is no another link for the same. So this is one of the best feature of the Google. And here you can ends on so and so date, you can ends after the so and so date. So this is how you can recurrence the meeting. I am just press on the cancel button. I have set the meeting from Monday's August 17. The timing is 3:15 to 4:15. Now I'll add the guest, means you have to add the participant or you have to add the students. Right now I am adding two students for the demo purpose. Now I click on the get guest permission. Guest can modify the event, so don't give the rights to the guest to modify your events. And the second one is invite others, they can invite the others. No, don't give the rights to the guest. And here see the guest list, how many participants are there which would be there in the meeting. They can see the all the list of the participant, but you just unmark it. Okay, then here join with Google Meet. Click the down arrow button. Here you can see that the up to 250 participant can join into your Google Meet when you are using a G Suite. Otherwise 100 people can join your meeting. Now this is the phone number where students can also join using this phone number. Now if you want to send this link to the students via WhatsApp, you just copy it, right click it and click on the copy menu. Then you can send it to the students via WhatsApp group. But here we are sending the email to all the participant officially. Now you can add your location, but this is not required. Here you can also attach the document which would be useful into your meeting. So here click on the uh, add description. Please, you just type it here. Please find the attached document related to today's meeting. Now you can also add the attachment. You can add the attachment from your drive, share drive, and you can also upload the things. Now I am going to upload the things from my computer. I just click on this revision of payment. Just click on open. Then after adding this, you can upload it. Here you can see that it is uploading. Okay, now the file has been attached here. If there are 50 participants into your meeting, then everybody can see your attachment. Now here notify 10 minutes before. So before 10 minutes the Google will automatically notify the participant that the meeting has been scheduled after 10 minutes. So now what you have to do is you just press on the save button. Okay, then one pop-up window appear. Would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest? Yes, of course. So I'll press yes button. Now guest from outside of your organization? Yes, I'm also inviting the guest from the outside of my organization. So I'm just clicking on the invite external guest. Okay, now here some people need to access this share with two people. They can only view the things, they can comment the things, or they can edit the things. You can just give a rights to comment for that. Okay, now invite them. We are inviting two participant. Okay, the event has been saved here. You can see that on Monday we have arranged from 3:15 to 4:15. Now let's go to the participant Gmail account. Okay, here you can see that I have got the mail from my teacher that he or she has been scheduled the meeting today at 3:15 to 4:15 p.m. and this is the title of the meeting, that is Google Meeting for demo purpose. Now what I have to do, I just click on this given link, then I can automatically join into my teacher's meeting. So now I am going to see the Google Meeting. Now let me click on join meeting. Now I am joining as a teacher in my Google Meet. This is the window of the Google Meet. Here you can see that joining now, the camera is on. You can also off the camera. You can also off your mic. Now I'll click on join now. So I'm going to join the meeting. Okay. So I am the only one in the meeting and nobody participant is there in my meeting. Now let me go to the student account and I click on the join meeting. You give allow. Now you can join the meeting. here. Okay, now here you can see that two people have already been joined. One is myself and other one is the participant. So this is how you can schedule a meeting and the participant can join your meeting. So the window is for the Google Meet, and this was the purpose to how to join the Google Meet. So I hope that you like my videos. If you like my videos, you please share and subscribe for more videos regarding the e-content development. Thank you very much.